Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix this channel cannot be displayed on Telegram. Most likely, this error is popping up to a channel that has sensitive content or contents that violates Telegram. This error usually pops up once you've tried to open the private channel. So like this channel in here, it wouldn't open and there will be a pop-up that it cannot be displayed. What you need to do is to open your app store. So in my case, it's App Store because I'm using iOS. And then search in here, Nicegram. This is the app. Tap Get, or in your case, you might see it as Install. So I'm just going to confirm the installation of this one. Once it's installed, open Nicegram. And then make sure to read every page in here and then just tap Continue. We don't need to subscribe on this feature, so you can just tap the X on the upper right part of your screen. Then of course you'll need to log in your Telegram, so we need to verify your phone number. So just type in here your phone number and then tap Continue to confirm. A code will be sent then to your Telegram account. So what you need to do is to open your Telegram account, or if not, you can actually get the code via SMS by tapping this one in here. So we're just going to get the code from our Telegram. Here I'm going to enter the code. To access your contacts, tap OK, then tap Allow. Once you have successfully logged in your Telegram account via Nicegram, and then you tried to open the said channel that is having an error a while ago, then you should be able to access that channel. And that's how to fix this channel cannot be displayed on Telegram. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.